Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll be looking into one of the project management platform called Wrike. So here's the breakdown. Wrike is a robust project management platform designed to help plan, track and execute work with clarity and control. It offers features like task management, timeline, custom dashboard, workload view, time tracking and real-time collaboration, all built to keep project on schedule and teams aligned. For medium to large team that juggle complex workflow or cross-functional work, Wrike brings structure and visibility that's hard to beat. That said, Wrike can feel overwhelming for every small teams or simple project, and some users report a steeper learning curve compared with lighter tools. Pricing can also add up once you move into advanced feature styles. So in my opinion, I actually think the AI is an effective project management solution for teams that need powerful planning, reporting and collaboration features, but smaller or more casual user might prefer simpler or more intuitive alternative compared to this platform. And that's it. Hope you find the video up for a video. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more AI review. And that's it.